The missing edge lettering on the 2007 James Madison presidential dollar, as well as the Washington, Adams, and Jefferson dollars from that same year, was the result of a logistical flaw in the U.S. Mint's manufacturing process. Here is exactly how these smooth edge errors made it out of the mint and into circulation: the two-step minting process. When the presidential $1 coin program launched in 2007, the U.S. Mint had not yet fully automated the edge lettering technology. Instead, they relied on a two-step production process for circulating coins. Asterisk the primary strike. First, blank planchets were fed into a traditional coining press. This press struck the obverse, heads, and reverse, tails, designs onto the coin. At this stage in the process, the edges of the coins were completely smooth. Asterisk the edge lettering. After being struck, the coins were ejected into massive transit bins. These bins were then physically transported by forklift across the mint floor to a completely separate station. There, the coins were fed into a Schuler edge lettering machine that inked the date, mint mark, E pluribus unum, and in God we trust onto the rim. The error, bypassing the machine. Because the edge lettering station was entirely separate from the coining press, human error came into play. Occasionally, mint workers would accidentally take a bin full of newly struck, smooth-edged coins and transport it straight to the bagging and distribution area, completely bypassing the edge lettering station. Because the faces of the coins looked finished, the mistake went unnoticed. As a result, thousands of coins were bagged up and shipped to banks without ever receiving their edge inscriptions. The aftermath and the fix. Because the motto "In God We Trust" was located on the edge of the coin in 2007, these errors quickly caught the attention of the mainstream media and the public, earning them the famous nickname Godless Dollars. To stop this massive quality control issue, the U.S. Mint eventually overhauled its production line. They integrated the edge lettering equipment directly into the coining press machinery. Once that happened, newly struck coins traveled straight down a conveyor belt into the edge lettering machine, eliminating the need to move them in bins and dropping the number of missing edge errors to a mere trickle in subsequent years. 2007 $1 missing edge lettering James Madison. PCGS. Designer Joel Iskowitz/Don Everhart. Edge plane. Diameter 26.50 millimeters. Weight 8.10 grams. Mintage not applicable. Mint Philadelphia. Metal 88.5% copper, 6% zinc, 3.5% manganese, and 2% nickel. Auction record $978, MS65, January 6, 2010, Heritage Auctions.